Good morning, class. In the last lecture, we are studying find the adjoint of A, find A inverse, and find mod of A. So now, in this lecture, we are studying partial fraction. Let's see the definition of rational algebraic fraction. In this definition, a fraction of a p of x divided by q of x, where p and q are a polynomial in x, is known as a polynomial fraction, or also called as a rational algebraic fraction. There are two types of rational algebraic fraction. First one is a proper fraction, and second one is a improper fraction. First, proper fraction is the fraction p of q divided by q of x. P of x divided by q of x is called as proper fraction if the degree of a polynomial in denominator is greater than degree of polynomial in numerator. Means degree of denominator greater than degree of numerator. Means degree of denominator greater than degree of numerator. डिनोमिनेटर की डिग्री ज़्यादा रहेगी न्यूमरेटर से. डिग्री मीन्स हियर एग्जाम्पल 1/x² - 1. हियर 2 इज अ डिग्री. So degree of denominator is greater than degree of numerator. Here degree is 3 and this example degree is 2. So always proper fraction degree of denominator greater than degree of numerator. Now improper fraction p of x divided by q of x is called improper fraction if the degree of a polynomial in numerator is greater or equal to the degree of polynomial in denominator. Means here degree of numerator means this greater or equal to degree of denominator. ये इसमें इक्वल रहेगी, नहीं तो डिग्री ऑफ न्यूमरेटर ज़्यादा रहेगा डिनोमिनेटर से. So this is the degree. In this example here degree is same 3. So these examples are called improper fraction. Now definition of partial fraction. In this method of a breaking or resolving the proper fraction p of x divided by q of x into a simple fraction, these simple fractions are called as a partial fraction. Important step regarding partial fraction. First step is a process to finding partial fraction. It to determining whether the function is proper or improper. If the found improper, we convert it into a proper fraction by using this formula. Fraction is equal to quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. Means divisor. Means f is equal to q plus r divided by d is equal to polynomial plus proper fraction. Second step, factorize the denominator of a proper fraction completely. The factor of denominator decides the case of partial fraction. Finding the unknown ABC means a, b and up to ... partial fraction by subtracting special value of k or comparing the coefficient of representing power of x on both sides. Now type of quadratic fraction. Quadratic reducible fraction. Quadratic reducible fraction. Their type is ax² plus bx plus c, which can be reduced to linear fraction, is called as reducible quadratic fraction. So this is a fraction x² plus x minus 6. Now we to find कन्वर्ट इनटू दिस, बट हाउ, हमको इस फॉर्म में लिखना है, बट कैसे लिखेंगे, इधर वैल्यू है 1 मीन्स 1x, तो हमको इधर वैल्यू 1 आनी चाहिए और हमको इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है। तो इधर देखेंगे, हियर कांस्टेंट 6, सो हियर -6, वी टेक हियर -6, ये 6 कैसे आएगा, 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 6, बट +3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय +2, सो गिविंग +6, बट हमको -6 चाहिए, सो 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय -2 गिविंग -6, and here we take 3 minus 2 giving value is 1, so we want here value is 1 because only 1x means only x means your constant is 1x, so we take 3x. Now here we take x square minus 2x because we take here minus 2 and 3x, हम इसको माइनस करेंगे तो हमें +x मिलेगा। इस तरीके से हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे हर एक सम में, देन वी गेट दिस 2 फ्रैक्शन, दिस वन। नाउ हियर x and x common outside, then these 1x are here and these are -2, same here 3 outside common and x -2, then this bracket x -2 are common, so take outside, and x +3 take another bracket, so this type we can solve। ये समझा ना, इधर 1 है इसलिए हमको वैल्यू 1 चाहिए और इधर -6 है, तो 6 कैसे आएगा, 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, बट वो +6 हो जाएगा, हमको माइनस चाहिए इसलिए हम 2 को देंगे। अगर 3 को देंगे तो क्या आएगा, -3 + 2 -1 आएगा, तो इधर -1 नहीं है इसलिए हम -2 को देंगे, हमको मिलेगा -6। 3 को क्यों नहीं देंगे, अगर हमने -3 को दिया तो इधर -1 आएगा, सो -x नहीं है इधर +x है, इसलिए हम -2 को देंगे। नाउ हियर सेकेंड x² - 2x -15, सो हमें -15 चाहिए, सो 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू 15, और इधर -2 चाहिए, सो क्या करेंगे, 5 को माइनस साइन दे देंगे, सो -5 × 3 इज इक्वल टू -15 एंड -5 + 3 इक्वल टू -2, then we write x² + 3x - 5x - 15, then again x common outside, x + 3, then in this one -5 common, so x + 3, then x + 3 common outside and x - 5, we get these 2 fractions. Quadratic irreducible factor, quadratic factor of the type ax² + bx + c which cannot reduce to linear factor are called irreducible quadratic factor, means वो रिड्यूस नहीं होते, मीन्स उसका फैक्टर नहीं पड़ता, इसलिए हम उसको इरिड्यूसिबल फैक्टर बोलते हैं, मीन्स उसका इस टाइप से फैक्टर नहीं पड़ता है, इसलिए हम उसको दिस टाइप को हम इरिड्यूसिबल फैक्टर कहते हैं। देखो यार वैल्यू 3 है और 7 हमको आंसर में चाहिए, तो हमने 7 लिया, सो 7 मल्टीप्लाई किया तो नहीं आएगा, बराबर 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 किया तो 7 आता है, बट 7 - 1 किया तो 3 नहीं आता, 6 आता है, सो दिस टाइप are called irreducible fraction. Now type of a partial fraction based on a natural of factor. Case 1, when denominator has distinct linear factor, in this case partial fraction will be the of the form p of x divided by ax plus minus b cx plus minus b all are a distinct, so is equal to, in this form, a divided by ax plus minus b means first one, then plus b and cx plus minus d second one. In this case we take, here all are different, so we take first a upon ax plus minus b and capital B divided by cx plus minus d, where a and b are a constant to determinant to be determined. Now in a second case where denominator has repeated linear factor, means denominator are repeated, वही आएगा, means रेस टू n, मतलब n तक वही है. In this case p of x divided by ax plus minus b रेस टू n, जब तक n है तब तक, means a divided by ax plus minus b plus b of ax plus minus b square c of ax plus minus b cube up to n of ax plus minus b up to n, because here n time, so here also we take n time. Now take one example कि 3x plus 5 divided by x plus 1 whole cube, so here cube, so we take 3 times. A upon x plus 1, b upon x plus 1 square plus c upon x plus 1 cube. Here denominator has repeated, so we take this type. Now third is when denominator has distinct irreducible quadratic factor. Here irreducible रहेगा तब हम ये फैक्टर लेंगे. Irreducible factor say of the type ax square plus bx plus c, which cannot be further resolved into real linear factors. In this case partial fraction will be of the form p of x divided by a1 x square plus minus b1 x plus minus c1 multiply by another bracket a2 x square plus minus b2 x plus minus c2. Here c is a constant, is equal to ax plus b divided by first one a1 x square plus minus b1 x plus minus c1 plus cx plus d, then take another bracket a2 x square plus minus b2 x plus minus c2. एग्जाम्पल हमें ये दिया होगा तो हम ऐसे लिखेंगे x plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 x square plus x minus 1, then first this, then second this. First ax plus b, we first write this x square plus 1 plus cx plus d, then we can write second x square plus x minus 1. Here a, b, c, d are a constant. We to find a, b, c and d value. Now method to resolve proper fraction into partial fraction. Now step 1, multiply both sides by LCM of a denominator on LHS, this giving equation in numerator. Now step 2, put satisfied value of x in equation obtained in step 1 and get the value of ABC. Put the value of ABC getting required partial fraction, means हमें ABC का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है, वो हमें वैल्यू पुट करनी है partial fraction में. Now take example, solve example based on a denominator containing distinct linear factor means here distinct linear factor है. अभी इधर दिया है कि ये distinct linear factor है, बट एग्जाम में नहीं दिया होगा. हमको एग्जाम्पल को देख के समझ लेना है कि ये किस टाइप का है, डिस्टिंक्ट है या सेम डिनोमिनेटर है या ये इरिड्यूसिबल है. ये 3 टाइप है. हमको एग्जाम्पल को देख के ही पता चलना चाहिए कि ये कौन से टाइप का है. सो दिस एग्जाम्पल आर डिस्टिंक्ट लीनियर, these are a distinct linear factor. Now resolve into a partial fraction. X minus 2 divided by x whole bracket x minus 1. So given fraction x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 is a proper fraction because degree of a denominator is greater than degree of numerator. Here degree is denominator की degree greater है numerator से. Here a fraction of denominator are a linear and unequal. So x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 is a linear and unequal factor. Then we take a upon first one is x plus b upon x minus 1. This is the formula for linear unequal factor. वो डिस्टिंक्ट है इसलिए हमें ये फॉर्मूला यूज किया. a upon x plus b upon x minus 1. Now to solving this equation, how can solve? Multiply by x minus 1, multiply and divide x minus 1 this term and this one x minus 1, and here multiply and divide x means this way x minus 1 means this, multiply and divide, so this value is 1 and this multiply and divide x by x means this value is 1 because जिस वैल्यू से डिवाइड करेंगे मीन्स 2 by 2 क्या आएगा, वैल्यू इज 2. सो सेम हियर x minus 1 डिवाइडेड बाय x minus 1 वैल्यू इज 1. सो इसलिए हमने ये लिया है बिकॉज ऑफ हमको इसका जो बेस है वो हमको सेम करना है. इसलिए जब इसका जो बेस दोनों भी सेम आएगा तो हम दोनों को एक साथ लिख सकते हैं. जब डिनोमिनेटर सेम रहेगा तो न्यूमरेटर की एडिशन होगी. हमको ये पता है ना, जब डिनोमिनेटर सेम रहेगा तभी हम ऊपर की मीन्स न्यूमरेटर की एडिशन कर सकते हैं. इसलिए हम ये करेंगे. नाउ हियर x minus 1, here also x minus 1, so we take common. Now x multiply by x minus 1 and b of x. So now multiply by x minus 1 on both sides. So here also multiply by x minus 1 and here also x minus 1. So x minus 1 get cancelled, here also x minus get cancelled. So we get x minus 2 is equal to this term. X minus 2 is equal to a x minus 1 plus b of x. Equation number 2. Now for a means we want to find the value of a. So हमको a की वैल्यू कैसे मिलेगी, जब ये b की वैल्यू 0 रहेगी मीन्स दिस फैक्टर की वैल्यू 0 आएगी तब हमको ये वैल्यू मिल सकती है. तो ये 0 कब होगी, x की वैल्यू हम 0 रखेंगे तो दिस टर्म get a 0 answer. So put x is equal to 0 in equation number 2. So 0 minus 2 is equal to a, 0 minus 1 plus 0. Now minus 2 is equal to minus a. Here multiply by minus sign, so a is equal to 2. Now अभी हमको b की वैल्यू चाहिए. So put, अभी हमको ये टर्म 0 चाहिए तो हम क्या करेंगे, x की जगह हम 1 लेंगे तभी वैल्यू 0 आएगी. So put x is equal to 1 in second equation. 1 minus 2 is equal to a of 0 and b of 1. Minus 1 is equal to b means b की value minus 1. Putting both value a and b in equation number 1. In this equation we put the value of a and b. Then we get x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 is equal to 2 by x plus minus 1 divided by x minus 1 means 2 divided by x minus 1 upon x minus 1. This is the value of this one. हमने ये फाइंड करनी है. नाउ अनदर एग्जांपल. हमको एग्जांपल देख के ही पता चलना चाहिए ये कौन सा टाइप का है. दिस इज द हियर डिनोमिनेटर आर डिस्टिंक्ट मीन्स अगेन वी यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. Now second example, given factor x square divided by x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3 is a proper fraction and degree of a denominator is greater than degree of numerator. Now using factor are linear and unequal. So here unequal factor है. Now again x square divided by x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3. Then a upon x plus 1, b upon x plus 2 and c upon x plus 3. We are giving equation number 1. Now अभी हमको सबका डिनोमिनेटर सेम चाहिए. सो इधर हमको क्या चाहिए x plus 2 and x plus 3 चाहिए. सो अभी हम इसको दोनों मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड x plus 2 and x plus 3. x plus 2 and x plus 3. नाउ इन b हमको क्या चाहिए x plus 1 and x plus 3. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड x plus 1 and x plus 3. इन third one is we want x plus 1 and x plus 2. So multiply and divide x plus 1 and x plus 2. So value is 1. Now here both are third example denominator is same, then numerator की addition होती है. Now a plus b plus c. a x plus 2 x plus 3, b x plus 1 x plus 3 and c is x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now multiply by, here we multiply by x plus 1 x plus 2 and x plus 3. Then these and these sum are cancel. Then again x square is equal to a x plus 2 x plus 3 plus b of x plus 1 x plus 3 plus c x plus 1 x plus 2. Equation number 2. Now to find value of a. तो हमको ये जीरो करना पड़ेगा. बट हियर x plus 1 and x plus 1 are common term. So we put x is equal to minus 1, then this term are 0 and this also 0. Now eliminating a common factor, that is x plus 1 between b and c. So put x is equal to minus 1. So here minus 1 0 and 0. So 0 multiplied by any number we get 0. So we put x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3. So answer is here 1 and here 2. So 2a and minus 1 square giving 1. So 2 इधर मल्टीप्लाई करा है, उधर जगह डिवाइड होगा. So वो हाफ a is equal to half means 1 by 2. a की वैल्यू 1 by 2. Now finding b. Now here b, here x plus 2 means here x plus 2 की कॉमन टर्म सो यार x की वैल्यू हम -2 रखेंगे तो वैल्यू इसकी 0 आएगी. सो एलिमिनेटिंग कॉमन फैक्टर दैट इज x plus 2 a and c. Put x is equal to -2. So x -2 स्क्वायर a 0 आएगा, c भी 0 आएगा. -2 plus 1 -2 plus 3. So here -1 and 2 square 4. So b is equal to -4. Then finding c. Now in a c there are common factors, we want find c. So here in this common is x plus 3 and x plus 3 are common. So now x is equal to -3. We put x is equal to -3. So -3 square, a and b are 0. -3 plus 1 -3 plus 2. Here see -2 plus 1 minus get plus, so plus 2, and 3 3 is 9. 9 by 2. C is equal to 9 by 2. Now we putting the value of ABC in equation number 1. Then we get x square divided by x plus 1 x plus 2 x plus 3 is equal to half of, this is the value of a, half of x plus 1 and -4 is the value of b, x plus 2 plus 9 divided by 2 divided by x plus 3, this is the value of c. Now here 4 -4, so we can also write in this way. 1 here 2 is divided and here 2 is also divided, we take in a denominator. So 1 upon 2 multiply by x plus 1 -4 x plus 2 plus 9 divided by 2 x plus 3, means 2 divided by x plus 3. We can solve it. Now second, problem reducible to a case 1 after factorization of a denominator. After factorization to denominator, resolve into the partial fraction. हमको रिजॉल्व करना है पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन में. एग्जाम्पल इज x डिवाइडेड बाय एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स माइनस 2. नाउ भी हमको फैक्टर निकालना पड़ेगा. सो हियर -2, हमको -2 चाहिए. सो वी गेट टेक हियर -2, बट -2 की वैल्यू कैसी आएगी? 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 2. देन बट आंसर इज हमको -2 चाहिए. सो वी गेट -2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय +1 इज इक्वल टू -2 बिकॉज ऑफ हमको -1 चाहिए. सो -2 plus 1 gives -1, so -x. Then we giving x divided by x minus 2 and x plus 1. We can solve in this way. Then we giving this equation. Now these are in a different, means distinct factor. So proper fraction and factor are linear and unequal. So ये unequal नहीं है, मतलब distinct है. So now again using this formula, a plus b वाला. X divided by x minus 2 x plus 1. Take a divided by x minus 2 and plus b divided by x plus 1. Now again x plus 1 divide and multiply by this, and x minus 2 multiply and divided by this term. So we get this one, means a x plus 1 plus b x minus 2 x plus 1 multiply by x minus 2. Now we multiply by x minus 2 multiply by x plus 1 on both sides. So हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना है x minus 2 multiply by x plus 2 से. So these are both cancel. then here multiplying both term, then we get cancel it. Now x is equal to a and b, a x plus 1, b x minus 2. Now we take equation number 2. Now to find the value of a, so हमको a की वैल्यू चाहिए, तो इधर हम 0 लाएंगे. तो 0 कैसे लाएंगे, इधर 2 आएगा, तो 2 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0, देन इसकी वैल्यू 0 रहेगी, तभी हमको a की वैल्यू मिलेगी. नाउ टू पुट x इज इक्वल टू 2 in equation number 2. So 2 is equal to a 2 plus 1, b 2 minus 2. 2 is equal to 3a. 2 plus 1 is 3a. Now a is equal to 2 divided by 3. This is the value of a. Now for b, so here we take minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So this term is 0. So minus 1 is equal to 0 plus b minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, then multiply by minus sign. So 3b is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1 upon 3. This term we can also write minus 3b is equal to minus 1. Then multiply by minus sign. So 3b is equal to 1. b is equal to 1 upon 3. Then putting a value of a and b in equation number 1. This is 2, 1 upon 3. This is the value of b, 1 upon 3. We take 3 in a denominator, and value of a is 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3. 3 is take a denominator. Now we 1 upon 3 take outside. 1 upon 3 take outside. So 2 upon x minus 2 plus 1 upon x plus 1. We can also in this way write. Now second one, resolve into a partial fraction. Again हमको partial fraction में लिखना है. 1 upon x cube. अभी x cube है. x cube plus 3x square plus 2x. This is also partial fraction, as the degree of a denominator is greater than degree of numerator. Here denominator की degree ज़्यादा है numerator से. Now we can solve it. This is a given equation. 1 upon x cube plus 3x square plus 2x is equal to 1 upon. Now in this term x are common outside. X 3x not write a 3, गलती से लिख दिया. x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 x plus 2. Means we to find, then we factor it. अभी हमको इसका फैक्टर करना है पड़ेगा. मीन्स हमको वैल्यू क्या चाहिए, 2 चाहिए. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड 2 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 3. तो हमको 3 तो मिल गया. 2 plus 1 3. We take x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. Then here x common, x plus 1, and here 2 common, so x plus 1. Then we get x plus 1 and x plus 2. To solve in this way. Here factor are linear and unequal. Now again we apply this formula because they are distinct. So 1 upon x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Here a first term x, then b divided by x plus 1 and plus c divided by x plus 2. Take equation number 1. Now again हमको डिनोमिनेटर सेम चाहिए. सो मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइडेड बाय x plus 1 and multiply divided by x plus 2. Here x and x plus 2 and here x and x plus 1 multiply and divided. Then we giving this equation, a x plus 1 x plus 2 b x x plus 2 c x x plus 1, and denominator are same, so we take common. Now multiply by, here multiply by x x plus 1 multiply by x plus 2, then these and these term are both cancel. Now 1 is equal to ax plus 1 x plus 2 plus bx x plus 2 plus cx x plus 1, equation number 2. Now to find for value a, now here put value x is equal to 0, then we giving value of a. 1 is equal to a, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2. So 2 multiply by a, 2a. So a is equal to 1 upon 2, means a is equal to half. Now to find the value of b, अभी हम इधर x की वैल्यू 0 रखेंगे तो b भी 0 होगा. सो हियर कॉमन फैक्टर इज x प्लस 1. सो x की वैल्यू हम -1 रखेंगे तो ये दोनों टर्म 0 हो जाएंगी और हमको b की वैल्यू मिलेगी. x इज इक्वल टू -1. सो a and c are 0, b -1 plus 2. So here minus b, and here 1 is equal to minus b, so b is equal to -1, multiply by minus sign on both sides. Now to find value of c, अभी हमको c की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. here common term is x plus 2, means put value x is equal to -2. Putting value x is equal to -2, then a and b are 0, c -2 plus 1. Here minus plus, here minus plus, but -2 plus 1 means value is -1. So minus plus 2c is equal to 1. So c is equal to 1 upon 2, means c की value भी half है. Now put the value of a, b, c in equation number 1. Then we get half of x -1 divided by x plus 1 plus half of x plus 2. Now to take a denominator, 1 upon 2x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus, now again 2 take a denominator, 1 upon 2 x plus 2, in this way. Now problem reducible to case 1 after suitable substitution. Now in this case we take a substitution. अभी एग्जाम्पल को देख के हमको लगना चाहिए इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट लेना पड़ेगा. Resolve into a partial fraction. Here given tan theta divided by tan theta plus 2 tan theta plus 3. Now given fraction this, we put tan theta is equal to t, then giving t divided by t plus 2 multiplied by t plus 3. These are a proper fraction because of degree is डिनोमिनेटर की डिग्री ग्रेटर है डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर से, मीन डिग्री ऑफ अ डिनोमिनेटर इज ग्रेटर देन डिग्री ऑफ न्यूमरेटर. नाउ वी टेक दिस टाइप, t divided by t plus 2 t plus 3 is equal to t divided by t plus 3 plus b divided by t plus 3. Take equation number 1. Then we multiply by this, multiply and divide t plus 3, and this multiply by t plus 2, divide and multiply. Then we giving this equation, t of t multiply by a multiply by t plus 3, b multiply by t plus 2, divided by t plus a multiply by t plus 3, and multiply by t plus 2 t plus 3 on both sides. Then this term and this term are cancelled. So t is equal to a plus a t plus 3 plus b t plus 2. Question number 2. Now to find value of a and value of b. Now to find value of a, here putting t is equal to -2, then we get value of a. So put value of t is equal to -2 a -2 plus 3 and b value 0. So a is equal to -2. Now the value of b So we take t is equal to minus 3, then these term are 0, we get value of b. Now t is equal to minus 3 is equal to a is 0, minus 3 plus 2 means minus b. So minus minus get sign cancel because multiply by minus on both sides, so b is equal to 3. Now put the value of a and b in equation number 1. Now a is equal to minus 2, we take minus 2 and here plus 3, t plus 2 plus t plus 3. Now this term goes first side because of these are plus and this term are minus, so we can take this line this way. ये भी चलेगा और ये भी चलेगा. Now we can put t is equal to tan of theta because of we take t is equal to put t is equal to tan of theta is equal to t. So now we putting the value of t here. So tan of theta divided by tan of theta plus 2 multiplied by tan of theta plus 3 divided by tan of theta plus 3 minus 2 divided by tan of theta plus 2. Now resolve into a partial fraction. So this is also we substituting some values, some fraction here. Now these are a given fraction e raised to x plus 1, e raised to x plus 2, e raised to x plus 3 is a proper fraction. Now we put ex is equal to t. So t plus 1 divided by t plus 2 and t plus 3. Same here by method of partial fraction, t plus 1, t plus 2 and t plus 3, a is a t plus divided by t plus 2 and b divided by t plus 3. Equation number 1. T plus 1 divided by t plus 2 multiplied by t plus 3. We know that how can write in this term. हमको पता है ये कैसे लिखना है. मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय t plus 3 in this, and in this term multiply and divide t plus 2. Then we get this equation. Then multiply by t plus 2 and t plus 3. Then these and these term are cancel. T plus 1 is equal to a, t plus 3 plus b, t plus 3. Now to find the value of a and b. So first find the value of a, then here we want to 0. So t take minus 2, then this value are 0. Put t is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1, a, minus 2 plus 3, 0, a is equal to minus 1. Then value of b, so हमको भी b की वैल्यू निकालनी है. So t is equal to minus 3. Now t is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. b minus 3 minus 2, so b is equal to 2. Put in the equation number 1. T plus 1, t plus 2, t plus 3 is equal to minus 1, t plus 2 plus 2 divided by t plus 3. Now here we putting t is equal to e raised to x. So e raised to x plus 1, e raised to x plus 2, e raised to x plus 3 is equal to minus 1 divided by e raised to x plus 2 plus 2 divided by e raised to x plus 3. And this equation we can also write in this way. Both are same. Now solve example based on a denominator containing repeated linear fraction. Now here show mention to solving denominator containing repeated. Here are repeated because of whole raised to 2, means 2 times are repeated. Now to solve given fraction 3x plus 1 divided by 3x plus 4 whole square is a proper fraction. Degree of a denominator is greater than degree of numerator. This show in a fraction because here degree is 2 and here degree is 1. So denominator of a degree is greater than degree of numerator. Now this formula is repeated factor. Here is 2, so we take 2 fraction. Here 2 means this bracket square. We can also write in this way. They are repeated. 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4. The factors are linear, equal or repeated. Now we are using this formula, a plus b. These are repeated, so a divided by 3x plus 4 plus b divided by 3x plus 4 whole square. Equation number 1. Now same here, multiply and divide 3x plus 4 whole square. Here multiply 3x plus 4 whole square. So whole square, square and this term are cancelled, giving a 3x plus 4. And here multiply by only 3x 4. So these and these are cancelled. So only giving this way. पर ऐसा किया तो ये वैल्यू नहीं आएगी, क्योंकि हमको डिनोमिनेटर में सेम चाहिए. तो सेम कैसे आएगा? इधर तो सेम है, बट इसको हम फिर से 3x प्लस 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इधर स्क्वेयर आ जाएगा, तो डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो जाएगा. तो हमको सेम ही चाहिए डिनोमिनेटर, इसलिए ओनली दिस टर्म वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड 3x plus 4. Now denominator are same, 3x 4 whole square, here also whole square and here also whole square. When we multiply and divide 3x plus 4 this term, then a 3x plus 4 plus b 3x plus 4 whole square. Now multiply by 3x plus 4 whole square, then these and these term are cancelled. So 3x plus 1 is equal to 8, 3a plus 4 plus b. Now a multiply by 3x and a multiply by 4. So 3ax plus 4a plus b. Now also write in this way, 3ax plus 4a plus b. Now equating coefficient of a इक्वल पावर टर्म ऑफ x. अभी हम कोएफिशिएंट को इक्वल पावर टर्म में लिखेंगे. So these are x and this also x. Mean here degrees both are 1. So 3 is equal to 3a. 3 is equal to 3a. Now a is equal to 3 divided by 3 means a is equal to 1. Then these and these are a constant. 4a plus b is equal to 1. So these and these are a constant term. So 4a plus b is equal to 1, and put the value of a. A is 1. So 4 multiplied by 1 plus b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 minus 4 means b is equal to minus 3. So we get the value of a and b, put in equation number 1. Then we get 3x plus 1 divided by 3x plus 4 whole square is equal to 1 upon 3x plus 4 minus 3 divided by 3x plus 4 whole square. Now to solving example based on a denominator containing irreducible non-repeated quadratic factor. In this term, these are irreducible and not repeated. So these terms are irreducible. Given that x square plus 5x minus 1, x square plus 1, x square plus 3 is a proper fraction. Now this is the irreducible, so we are using irreducible formula, that is ax plus b, put this, and cx plus d, put these. So these are given. ax plus b divided by x square plus 1 and cx plus d divided by x square plus 3. Equation number 1. Now we want to denominator are same, so multiply and divide x square plus 3 and here x square plus 1. Then we get both denominator are same. Ax plus b x square plus 3 plus cx plus d x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 x square plus 3. Now multiplying by x square plus 1 x square plus 3, then cancelling both, then we get x square plus 5x minus 1. Here ax plus b x square plus 1 plus cx plus d x square plus 1 here. Now multiply this x multiply by this one and this also, then 3 multiply by 3x and b, so x cube plus 3ax. Now 3, then here ax multiply by x square and ax multiply by 3, so 3ax, then b multiply by x square and b multiply by 3, so 3b. Here also same, cx multiply by x square, so giving cx cube, and cx multiply by 1 cx, d multiply by x square dx square and d multiply by 1, so d. Now x cube get common, a plus c x cube, then x square get common, b plus d x square, then x get common, 3a plus c x, and take constant outside, 3b plus d, giving equation number 2. Now equating coefficient of power term of x, मीन्स अभी हम इक्वेट करेंगे पावर के टर्म में, मीन्स दिस x, हियर x इज क्यूब, सो हियर ओनली x स्क्वेयर, सो पावर इज नॉट मैच. नाउ टेक x 0, हियर 3 का पावर कोई भी टर्म नहीं है, तो हम 0 लेंगे, मीन्स 0 इज इक्वल टू a प्लस सी. हियर 3 का टर्म a प्लस सी है. नाउ हियर एक्स स्क्वेयर पावर में हियर है बट वैल्यू इज 1. एक्स स्क्वेयर मीन्स 1 एक्स स्क्वेयर, 1 इज इक्वल टू बी प्लस डी, हियर गिविंग बी प्लस डी. नाउ एक्स की वैल्यू 5x मीन्स 5 इज इक्वल टू 3a प्लस सी, 3a प्लस सी. नाउ माइनस 1 इज अ कॉन्स्टेंट, हियर ऑल्सो 3b प्लस d इज अ constant, 3b plus d is a constant. So giving equation number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now subtract equation number 5 from 3. 5 from 3. A plus c is equal to 0. 3a minus c is equal to 5. We can subtract, then these and these sign are changed. So a minus 3a gives minus 2a and these are 0 and minus 5. A is equal to minus get cancelled because multiply by minus both side. A is equal to 5 by 2. Now put in equation number 3. Put in equation number 3. A is equal to 5 by 2. So C is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now subtracting 6 and 4. Now subtract 6 and 4. So here D get cancelled and we get value of B. Here also value sign are changed, so D0 minus 2 and here minus plus हो गया, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 and here minus sign, so B is equal to minus 1. Put in a value equation number 4. In this way minus 1, so minus 1 plus D is equal to 1, so वो प्लस होगा, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, D is equal to 2. We get 4 values A, B and C. We put in equation number 1. So these are A, B, C and D. So is 5 upon 2x minus 1 minus 5 upon 2x plus 2 divided by x square minus 3, and here x square plus 1. So these are, we can solve it. Now method to resolve improper fraction into a partial fraction. इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन टू प्रॉपर. हम अभी प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का हम पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन में कर रहे थे, अभी इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का हम पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन में करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी कन्वर्ट इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन टू प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. इसके लिए हमें फर्स्ट इम्प्रॉपर को प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में लाना पड़ेगा, तभी हम प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल, convert into a improper fraction to proper fraction. Here x cube plus 1 x square plus 2x giving improper fraction, this x cube plus 1 divided by x square plus 2x. Convert into a proper fraction by division method. मीन्स हमको इसको डिवाइड करना है. सो x cube plus 1 divided by x square plus 2x मीन्स अभी हम डिवाइड करेंगे x3 x क्यूब प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय x स्क्वेयर प्लस 2x से. अभी इधर हमको 3x निकालना है, मतलब माइनस करना है. डिवाइड में हम माइनस करते हैं. तो x3 कब निकलेगा? जब हम इस टर्म को x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो x क्यूब मिलेगा. सो वी टेक हियर x. सो means x multiplied by x square x cube, then x multiplied by here 2x, so giving x 2x square, then minus, so minus sign are changed, so these are 0 and 1. Minus 2x square means minus 2x square plus 1. Now here minus 2x स्क्वेयर. अभी माइनस 2x को हम कैसे नहीं करेंगे? ईयर ऑलरेडी x स्क्वेयर है, मीन्स x नहीं लेंगे, अभी हमको 2 चाहिए. सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 करना पड़ेगा. सो माइनस 2, वी टेक अ माइनस 2, देन माइनस 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय x स्क्वेयर माइनस 2x स्क्वेयर एंड 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2x, सो माइनस 4x. हियर माइनस 2, सो माइनस 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2x, सो गिविंग माइनस 4x. And subtracting, so minus sign are changed, so these are 0 and 4x minus minus plus, so 4x plus 1. So these term are remainder and these are a divisor and these are a quotient. Divisor, quotient and remainder means R, D and Q. Now we using this formula, fraction is equal to quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. So this is a quotient, this is our remainder and these are a divisor. Now we take one example, resolve into a partial fraction. इसको हम partial fraction में करेंगे. Now this is the improper fraction. अभी पहले हमको दिस इज द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, हमको पहले इसको प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. अभी हमको ये कैसा मालूम पड़ा कि ये इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है? बिकॉज ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर इज इक्वल टू न्यूमरेटर. मीन्स न्यूमरेटर की और डिनोमिनेटर की डिग्री इक्वल है, इसलिए ये इम्प्रॉपर है. सम्स को देख के ही पता चलना चाहिए कि ये कौन किस टाइप का है. नाउ we first convert improper fraction into a proper fraction. Now dividing this term we take in this way, x square plus 3x minus 4. Now x divided by x2 plus 3x. Here already x and here also 3x दिया है, मीन्स हमको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 करना पड़ेगा. सो 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय x स्क्वायर दिस एंड 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3x giving these and subtracting here 0 is also 0 and get -4. So remainder is -4, quotient is 1 and division is x square plus 3x. Now using this formula, f is equal to q plus r by d. F means x square plus 3x minus 4 divided by x square plus 3x is equal to 1 plus -4 divided by x square plus 3x. So write 1 minus 4x. Here x is common outside, x plus 3. Equation number 1. Now this term in a proper fraction and unequal. So these are a formula for unequal, means distinct. Now to solve as it is by previous sum. So 4 divided by x plus 3 is equal to a of x plus b of x plus 3. Now we multiply and divide x plus 3 and here multiply and divide x, we get this one. Then multiplying both x, multiply by x plus 3, then 4 is equal to a x plus 3 plus b of x, equation number 4. Now to find a and value of b. So first find a. So here put value a is equal to 0, then we get value of a. Here value is 0, 0 plus 3, 4 is equal to 3a, means a is equal to 4 by 3. Now finding value of b. Here minus, we take here -3, then value of a is 0, then we get value of b. Now put x is equal to 3, 4, a 0, b -3, so then b is equal to -4 upon 3. Now putting equation number 2, so we get 4 by x plus 3 is equal to 4 upon 3 divided by x plus -4 upon 3 divided by x plus 3. Now here minus sign, so minus, and these three are, take a denominator, so 4 upon 3x minus 4 upon 3 x plus 3. Now here 4 upon 3 common outside, 1 upon 4 minus 1 divided by x plus 3. Now these value put in equation number 1. Now these value put in equation number 1. Here we put equation number 1. Now to get x square plus 3x minus 4, x square plus 3x is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 4, means this value 4 by 4 divided by 3 multiply by 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 3. We can solve it. मीन्स हमको इम्प्रॉपर को पहले प्रॉपर फैक्टर में लाना पड़ेगा, देन दिस प्रॉपर फैक्टर को हम पार्शियल फैक्टर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. नाउ वी फर्स्ट यूनिट इज कंप्लीटेड. इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी स्टार्ट द सेकेंड यूनिट.